insulated with Kingspan and
Yeah.
the recycled pop bottles.
Oh, pop bottle, yes,
Not the rock one.
yes.
What
This one.
Yeah, that's the one.
That's the one.
Yeah, so it's all insulated with that.
Yeah.
The roof's got 50mm
Okay.
of Kingspan.
Right.
The sides have got 25mm
Mils,
of the
right.
Kingspan, and the rest of it has got, like I said,
Yeah.
the pop bottle. So she's all
Yeah.
insulated all the way round.
The better it is insulated, the less heat you're going to want.
Yes.
Yeah.
But I found it got a bit chilly last night. I put kettle on.
Yeah,
And I had to open the door.
Yeah. Right.
Because it was
Above my stove, I've got a little shelf, right, and I've got a little USB fan up there.
yeah.
Right, and I direct it across the ceiling, and it blows the heat across the top, and it circulates it around the van.
Circulates it round.
Yeah.
Right. Well, I've got, like I said, I've got the storage under the bed. The
Yeah.
bed actually is in two halves.
Yeah.
So when if I want the front seat up,
Yeah.
the front lifts up,
Lifts up.
slides over,
Right.
and then I can still access the side door.
That's it. That's
So
the way.
and then that all just lifts
Yeah.
out as one. So it's
Right.
just two foam cushions,
Cushions. Yeah.
and
Yeah.
a bit of extra.
Yeah.
Then obviously just a mat and the sleeping bag.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
take that thing off.
Yeah. Yeah.
But yeah, like I said, the only thing I'm short of,
brilliant.
I need some sort of extraction.
Yeah. Yeah.
You know, for when I'm
Yeah.
cooking and that.
Oh, and I like the way you put the top as though that tilts up as though you can use the loo.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, that
Drag him out a bit, and
that lifts up. The loo's
Yeah.
perfectly accessible.
Yeah.
And then I've got gas
in the
bottle,
bottle. Yeah,
and
yeah.
waste pipe going out there.
Yeah.
That's
brilliant. That is.
And then obviously in there I've just got some pots and pans,
Yeah.
bit of food and what have you.
Yeah.
And in my trade, I'm a cabinet maker.
Yeah. All right.
All this is just
Yeah.
scrap MDF.
Yeah, that's
You
what
know,
it is.
leftovers.
Yeah, that's how it works.
Yeah. Like I say, I'm a tight Yorkshire.
Yeah.
I don't like
Throwing stuff away.
I don't like spending. Yeah, and then I've got the water in there, the pump and all the electrics are in
the
there.
back, right.
The one thing I am going to do, and I've
Yeah.
actually get yourself in if you want to.
Let's have a quick look at this side there, if I can get in.
Yeah, you tilt up to the top.
Yeah.
You can see the
That's it.
fuse box and
I can see
everything.
it. Yeah, I can see it on there now.
And then on the side,
Yeah.
just under there, we've got all the
Oh, you got all the so you can
mains
see
there.
Yeah. Everybody has those now, don't they?
It's just handy.
Yeah.
And then obviously another one there for the
Yeah.
phone.
Yeah.
Which is just
Is that just a cigarette lighter or USB?
No, it's USB.
USB.
Yeah,
That's it. Yeah. I think it's
quick charging ones.
You only want one or two cigarette lighters nowadays.
Yeah.
Everything else has to be USB.
And then I've got extra USB in front
Yeah.
over there. Little
Yeah.
fridge cool box.
Little cool box. Yeah.
Yeah. And things like
And
that.
all worked out to strap it down.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Obviously, CO carbon monoxide detector
Yeah.
up there.
Yeah, you got to have those.
Yeah.
You got to have those.
Yeah.
Yeah.
She's
Everything is functional.
yeah, but like I say, it all lifts out,
Yeah.
and
So
the
it's all on-
battery's
yeah.
tucked behind where the front seat lifts up.
Okay.
I'll show you that
Yeah.
through
We go through the other door.
the other door.
Yeah, go through the square window.
Yeah.
So yeah, you got all that storage under there, and that folds back.
That folds back, and then
is
all I've got intruding is
Yeah.
that piece from there to there.
Yeah.
Just sticks out to about there.
Okay. Right.
That's just the bit I'm short. That's what I'm short
Right.
of making a proper size
full
bed.
size bed.
Yeah, that's why I've had to come there and
Right,
drop the
include
seat
in there.
down.
Right. And
Like I said, the batteries in
you got
there.
the batteries up behind there.
Yeah.
And it is just storage then.
Yeah, that's it. It's just
You don't take
somewhere to
anybody
throw
with
my
you.
clothes
Yeah.
in.
You just don't take anybody with you.
No.
And it is on a Ford Transit high top.
No, it's just a standard top.
It's a standard
yeah,
top, is it?
yeah. The
Oh,
high
right.
top would have been
an
just
extra
nice.
It's only something like 2 to 3 inches.
But it's just
it
that
makes-
bit when
yeah.
you sat on toilet.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah. Yeah, she's like I said, for 16-year-old, she's not in bad nick.
Yeah.
It's been
And what's the mileage on her?
136, 137.
That's good.
Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah.
Doesn't do the work travelling that
Right.
I used to do.
Yeah, okay. Okay.
So
And it looks like you got room there for a Womble sticker.
yes, definitely, definitely.
Yeah.
Yeah, just starting that.
Yeah. Yeah. And a little tiny reversing camera there.
Yes, yeah. It's I'm actually, that's my 4th rear bumper.
Oh right.
Yeah, I do have a tendency of not stopping.
Giving it a clout.
Yeah, just oh no, no, that's not it.
Yeah.
So I thought a reversing camera is cheaper.
That's just a judgment issue, isn't
Yeah.
it? Yeah.
It'd rather a reversing camera or a tow bar.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Put a tow bar on. Put a tow bar on. Because when people shunt you, they get damaged more than you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. You've got to have those wind cowls on, because that enables you to leave that window open that little bit
at night.
Rain coming in.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
But like I said, with the side canopy,
Yeah.
I mean, I've got the bolts where the roof rack used to be.
Get a little one.
I can bolt one on there
Yeah.
and just come
And
straight
just pull
out. I
straight
think
out.
that'll be the next thing.
Yeah.
The sail or the kite or whatever it was called just
Just somewhere, because it's such a small van, you have to live outside.
Yes.
Yeah. So, yeah, brilliant little tool.
But it's like I said, I do. I do quite a bit of walking.
Yeah.
And it's the
I avoid doing quite a bit of walking.
I enjoy it, but a lot of the walking.